The YEECORE dual dashcam YC-100 provides exceptional clarity with its Ultra HD 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, this dashcam allows easy access to recorded videos and real-time tracking of your driving route, speed, and location. The rear camera's unique 360 degrees rotatable design offers versatile monitoring options, making it ideal for different vehicle types including SUVs and pickups. With 4 distinct parking modes, the dashcam ensures continuous protection by adapting to various parking situations, offering peace of mind even when you are away from your vehicle. Its advanced Sony Starvis sensors enhance night vision capabilities, capturing clear images in low-light conditions and improving visibility of license plates. The dashcam's emergency lock and loop recording features guarantee that crucial footage is secured and not overwritten, serving as reliable evidence if needed.